In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Shopify to a bank account. First, it's important to understand how Shopify payouts work. If you're using Shopify Payments, you usually do not transfer each order manually. Instead, Shopify automatically sends your available balance to the bank account connected to your store. To check this, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Payments. In the Shopify Payments section, click Manage. This is where you can review your payout details, update your banking information, and check how funds are being sent. If you need to add or update your bank account, enter the correct account details carefully. Double-check the account name, number, and any other required banking information. A small mistake here can delay your payouts or cause them to fail. After that, go to the payout history or click View Payouts to track your money. This section shows which payouts are pending, which ones were sent, and which ones have already been completed. If a payout says it was sent but you still don't see it in your bank, remember that your bank may need extra time to process the deposit. Your payout schedule can also vary depending on your country, banking system, and store history. Some businesses get payouts faster than others, especially after the account has already completed a few successful payment cycles. If you are not using Shopify Payments, then the process depends on your third-party provider. In that case, your customers may pay through another gateway, and the money may go there first before you transfer it separately to your bank account. So the main idea is simple. Make sure your bank account is correctly connected, review your payout settings, check your payout history, and wait for the bank to process the deposit if needed. If you ever notice delays, failed payouts, or missing funds, check your Shopify Payments details first before assuming the issue is with the store itself. That's how to transfer money from Shopify to a bank account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.